before I took the course, I definitely was just like med school, residency, maybe a fellowship, and then work. And when I thought about college or med school, the only thing that I really thought about was, majoring in biology or biochem or molecular biology. And then I took this course and we dove into the respiratory system, we dove into immunology, we dove into epidemiology, hematology. And so, I very quickly realized that there's so many aspects of health and so many aspects of medicine and global health and public health that people don't really think about when they think of medicine or science. And that definitely allowed me to think about more of the things that I would want to study in college. So I am looking forward to maybe taking an infectious disease course when I go to college. So, and I wouldn't have done that unless I took this course. So